Calabar High is represented by Devonte Grant, Anando Bailey, Ronald Powell, and Dimitri Tariq Harris. Knox College is represented by Kyan Sinclair, Jordan McKenzie, Ariana Pinnock, and Tambari Lee. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the fifth match in round 3 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Knox College won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with Knox College. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Knox, we begin with mathematics. What is the value of 7 factorial?
4050.
4050.
No, 5040. Calabar, mathematics. What is the value of 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial?
Answer to that question is
720.
Correct. Local affairs for Knox. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Xavier Mean.
Correct. Local affairs for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
So this is something. So this is Westland. So this is Moela Wilson.
Correct. History. Knox. In what year did the United States purchase Alaska from Russia?
1867.
1867.
Correct. History. Calabar. What price in US dollars did the US pay Russia to acquire Alaska?
$7.2 million.
$7.2 million.
Correct. Music for Knox. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Tony Rebel.
Correct. Music for Calabar. Listen to the following clip. Identify the singer. Physics for Knox. What is known as the maximum displacement of the particles of a medium from their equilibrium position?
Amplitude.
Correct. Physics for Calabar. What is the name for the exchange of heat energy between a particle and an electromagnetic wave?
Radiation.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Knox. Look at the monitor. Identify this late Jamaican actor.
Christopher Blackwell.
Christopher Blackwell.
Incorrect. Winston Bellow Bell. Theatre and cinema for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this Jamaican social media influencer.
Christina Perez.
Incorrect. Basilia Barnaby Cuff. Spanish for Knox. What is the English translation for ¿De dónde eres?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Correct. Spanish for Calabar. What is the English translation for ¿De quién es este libro?
Wait, whose book it is?
Whose book it is?
Whose book it is?
No, whose book is this? Sports for Knox. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Karim Abdul-Jabbar.
Karim Abdul-Jabbar.
Correct. And sports for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Magic Johnson.
Correct. Information technology for Knox. What does the abbreviation CPU stand for?
Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit.
Correct. Information technology. Calabar. What does the acronym RAM stand for?
Access memory. Random access memory.
Correct. English language for Knox. Spell altruism, which means self-sacrifice.
ALTRUISM.
Correct. English language for Calabar. Spell nuance, which means a subtle difference in meaning.
NUANCE.
Correct. Chemistry for Knox. That bell signifies the end of the opening challenge. The scores at this time, Calabar High on 8, Knox College also on 8. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.